Okay, so I need your opinion. I'm 3D printing some retaining walls. See how they look. Um, Trying to see if the size it's okay. I shouldn't do that, but anyway. Okay, let me show you. So as you can see over there, we have these engines against these retaining walls, and I'm trying to figure out the scale. You know, the scale, the size. Now, here is how this is in centimeters. I know I chopped down my. This is for special measurements, but anyways, so it's about 18 centimeters, which is it around. Let me see. Uh, a little bit over 7 inches long. A little bit, just a little bit. The tall is about 2 inches and 3/4 tall in centimeters. About 7 centimeters tall. Now they do not interlock. I mean, it's just nice for like a wall decoration. It definitely stands alone in a flat surface. That one is not flat, you know, it's kind of wavy. See that? Hold on, let me see one moment. Let me show you. Allow me to demonstrate. There's a hump right here. So anyway, if you have a flat surface, works. So this one is 3D printed. It's not red, it's kind of brick reddish color. I ordered two spools. They're supposed to be red, but they look kind of brick reddish brick color. And at the end I say, you know what, I'm going to use, I didn't want to return them because anyways, I already ordered it. So I think, and I thought for a minute, and I say, you know what, I'm gonna try to 3D print some brick walls. So these arched brick retaining walls was a good idea. So it was around, I think it was around 2 in the morning when I decided to start 3D printing. Right now it's around 11. So I got some samples here. That's not flat. What is here? Oh, there is something here. Okay. So anyways, I decided to start 3D printing this. And so now I need your opinion to see what's going on with yeah, I know some of you are gonna say no, you should not use the knife, but it's okay. I can order more of these replacement. Anyways, so I'm trying to figure out if the um, height it's okay. I mean, it looks decent. I've seen another one. I think someone posted on Twitter. It's a little short. It's about, let me. The other one I saw is about this tall, just a little bit over this Trackmaster model. So I think it's 1 centimeter shorter. Yes. So let me know in the comments. Okay, and before we proceed, let me show you how it looks here because I don't want you to think. Let me adjust the color, I mean the shades, exposure. It looks different. This is in auto. Anyways, see how it changes when it's close, far, close, far. But anyways, so let me know in the comments. I'm trying to put this in set of walls, 4 walls, maybe 1, 2, and 3 or 4. These are 3D printed. They are not flexible. Yeah, wish to know your opinion.